Next, let's take a look at some field sets that can give your users some enhanced visibility. Navigating back to our setup, we're going to go over to the object manager, and we're going to search for the load object. Once you're in the load object, simply navigate down to field sets. And in a quick find, you can search for the term freight. What we can see, and the field sets you are most likely going to be leveraging will be TMS 25, 26, and 27. This allows for users to render additional fields shown as columns in the loads list of both the customer and the carrier. So pulling up a freight plan so we can see our changes in live time. We can see that in this example, we would want to see what the customer quote total is. From the screen, I can see my vendor quotes over here, but I cannot see any customer financial information. If I wanted to see, I would have to either engage with the financial summary or click into the customer load and navigate to the freight quote assistant. In a case where you are negotiating costs, it may enhance users' visibility by having that customer quote render on this page in order to identify what they should be bargaining with. So this is the customer load section. We're going to leverage TMS 25. This is very simple. This is just drag and drop. So what we're going to do is look for our customer quote total, grab it, drop it, and save. Going back to our freight plan console and hitting the refresh. We can now see that our customer quote total renders on the customer line section. Similarly, if you were to engage with TMS 26, you will add items to the carrier load section. TMS 27 allows users to add fields into that carrier load creation pop-up screen. So let's pull up an example and then add some items. Looking at our freight plan console here, we're going to check our customer load pickup, check our customer delivery, and hit new load. And this is that carrier load pop-up that field set is referencing. And an example of a use case where this would be applicable is identifying fleet-related customer pickups. Maybe your company has divisions or offices where you manage both a brokerage and a fleet instance. When creating these carrier pickup movements, it may be best to identify what that division may be. And so we can add a pick list here or whatever you may have custom built in your system onto the screen right here so users can go ahead and flag any particular field that you have for visibility purposes. We're going to click into TMS 27. And again, this is drag and drop. So we can see we have equipment type, carrier sales rep, and max pay amount. If we navigate back here, we can see our max pay amount, carrier sales rep, and equipment type. So let's go ahead and drag and drop just a few items for visuals purposes. After you've identified what you would like to add, go ahead and hit save. And to test what you've done, go ahead and refresh the screen. Again, we're going to check our box, check the drop down and select new load. And now we can see the fields that we've added via the TMS 27 field set.